Welcome! I am proud to show you today a new member of MELFA Robots family, a product which is redefining what a modern industrial robot should be. But first, I would like to invite you to a short journey to the past, to understand what values and what philosophy stands behind each of our robots. The first Mitsubishi Electric robot was developed and released almost 40 years ago in 1982. We used our experience from building CNC machines to create a compact portable robot intended to work with people. It was revolutionary at that time, as it could fit on a desk and could be programmed by a personal computer. We can call it a personal robot, which was intended to work with people in research and education. Throughout the years, we are expanding our portfolio to open up our robots for various industries. Each of them designed with Kaizen philosophy, the constant improvement. Each of them to keep outstanding performance and maintain top quality. Each of them to answer changing market requirements. And here we are, in 2020, when we use all our experience and all our technology to come back to the roots, a compact industrial robot intended to work with people. Let's move to Japan, to Nagoya, where our robots are designed and manufactured. Here, our engineers spent last 4 years designing, prototyping, and gathering the feedback from the whole world. And today, I am proud to show you a result of 40 years experience and 4 years development. A robot which is redefining its kind. At present, industrial robots are often being divided into two categories. First, industrial robots, meant as heavy-duty, robust machinery, often integrated into a bigger system or a production line. On the other side of the spectrum are collaborative robots, meant as light, more portable and independent machines intended to work arm in arm with people. But what if we could combine those two types? What if we could have an industrial-grade, heavy-duty robot that is on the same time safe for people? What if the robot could be not only easily programmed, but also easily integrated with the other machines in the factory? Hello, what's happened? Guys, who switched off the light? Assista, can you fix it? And here comes Assista, our new collaborative industrial robot, joining the best from classic industrial and collaborative robots. 5 kilograms payload, 930 millimeters reach, the first truly collaborative industrial robot from Mitsubishi Electric. What's so special about it? Let's figure it out. First, take a look at the design. We used our 40 years experience in designing industrial robots. The mechanical construction is based on a proven technology, the same we are using in our other robots. Thanks to this technology, Mitsubishi Electric robots are recognized as robust, heavy-duty and long-lived. But there is something extraordinary in it. To be precise, there are 6 extraordinary things. The motors that drive the arm. To better understand it, I would like to introduce you Marcin.
Hello Wojciech. You are right, these servo motors are special.
Why?
First, these servo motors are from new generation J5.
So, can you give us some insight into those motors?
Well, there are many improvements starting from smaller dimensions. It creates for mechanical designers more opportunities and also helps Assista to be compact and slim. But the biggest change is the encoder. Thanks to its extremely high resolution, Assista can operate with impressive for the collaborative robots repeatability. We also made a revolution in the way that motor store its position. In previous generations, we had to use batteries in order to ensure that the robot remembers its position after switching off the power supply. J5 no longer uses batteries. It stores its position inside newly developed internal memory. This means for robot that it can remember its position for up to 10 years without the need of changing batteries every year.
No more "I forgot to exchange batteries" problem.
Exactly.
But Assista is also collaborative. How do the servo motors help to achieve safety for a human?
Well, the amazing thing is that J5's cutting-edge technology has allowed us to implement safety functionalities like torque limiting without additional sensors.
Are you saying there is no torque sensor on each axis that limits the forces Assista can generate?
Yes, the motor itself is a sensor, so there is no need for additional equipment. By proper analysis and monitoring of its speed and current, we are able to limit the torque. And generally, treating servo motor as a sensor creates more possibilities in monitoring and both predictive and preventive maintenance.
And we can use the Me2Robot platform to monitor Assista via the web browser. Thank you, Marcin.
Thank you, Wojciech.
Now you can see how we utilized our latest technology to build industrial robot, which is also collaborative. Let's move on to the human-robot collaboration itself. Assista was designed to meet the requirements of two documents describing safety aspects of collaborative robots: ISO 10218 Part 1 and ISO TS 15066. Especially the second one is important as it covers strictly cobots and gives clear guidance about functions and limits that should be used. Therefore, Assista can limit its operating area, adjust speed to a safe level, and limit forces generated by the arm. All of that to assure safety for a human operating close to a system. And what's important, the compliance with ISO TS 15066 is confirmed by a TÜV certificate. Direct interaction with the robot opens up new ways of creating program. Teach pendant is no longer needed. I can simply grasp the arm and move it to a desired position. Then I press single button, and that's all. The position is stored in the program. Using the panel on the arm, I can simply teach positions, control the hand, reset errors, or start the program. For Assista, we've created a completely new programming tool, Artivisual Box. We focus on simplicity of use. You can easily create programs from bricks. No programming knowledge, no advanced training needed. But we are aware that vast number of applications utilize more complex logic or advanced functionalities. That's why Assista could be also programmed from our classic software, just the same as our other robots. It's your choice, which one better suits you and your application. Speaking of industrial applications, the robot never works alone. It's a part of some bigger system, even if it's only a PLC plus few sensors. Assista is controlled by a CR800 controller, the same as in our other robots. It gives a simplicity of integration with other factory automation equipment. You can easily connect a gripper, a vision system, or a conveyor directly to Assista. But the most important factor is how this controller makes Assista a part of a family of our products. At Mitsubishi Electric, we often speak about solutions, not products. Therefore, I would like to introduce you Andrzej, who will show you the true power of our integrated solution.
Hi Wojtek. Well, in automation on some level, we require single products talking to each other. You just want to use products without thinking how they are connected. You just want to focus on what they should do. And here comes our IQ platform with our programmable logic controllers.
Could you explain it?
It's a platform. You build your system here. You connect your robot to the PLC, then conveyor, operating panel, vision system, and integrate safety functions.
And what does it mean for us?
If you faced any problems during integration, it means higher costs and delays for system integrator. For end user, it can be possible source of malfunctions. With the IQ platform, you can really focus on tasks your application needs to do and productivity you need to achieve. Less configurations and wiring gives minimized risk and on startup, and project will be finished on time. Less problems during use of the machine.
You are talking a lot about the communication. It's a very important part of Industry 4.0, right?
Yes, there is no Industry 4.0 without efficient communication and various data acquisition. IQR PLC can work here as a hub, gathering and transforming all data from single sensor to quality information. All of that can be easily sent directly to any enterprise system or even to the cloud.
Thank you, Andrzej. Now you can see how Assista is a part of Industry 4.0. Assista can be utilized in various industries, replacing or complementing people in boring repetitive tasks, from assembling and quality control through machine loading to packaging, from automotive through electronics and home appliances to consumer goods and the food industry. For the food industry, we've prepared a special version of Assista with H1 food grease. And this is Assista, an industrial collaborative robot. It gives the quality, robustness and the lifetime of a standard industrial robot, at the same time assuring safety for humans and ease of operation. All of that combined in the price of a classic industrial robot. Assista, the cobot redefined.